blah, blah, blah. I gotta breathe.
Oh, hello.
Hello, welcome back to the Nest Homestead. I'm Angela and today we're gonna be making some butternut squash bread. So if you want to join along, join. If you want to join us in the fun, tag along.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Hello there.
These lumps, I know you wanna slump up on these lumps, but you can't 'cause you're a chump.
But also look at my overalls. Can I just take a moment to show you guys my new overalls that one day I'll wear on the homestead? This will happen and these won't be as clean and beautiful as they are right now. You guys want to do a catwalk with me? Fashion.
Huh?
Don't laugh, future editor. I got my two sous chefs, BMO and Chicle, and they're ready to make some bread. Let's start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. Ignore the dishes, ignore the dishes, ignore the dishes, ignore the dishes. Now you'll baptize your squash, removing all past stains. Amen. Yeah, I could have used a serrated knife here, but I ain't no punk. Better to be a punk with fingers than a punk without, so I'm gonna use a serrated knife. Now, just because I have a serrated knife doesn't mean I'm gonna use it like a serrated knife. We have free will. Cut it how you like, just don't get hurt. Impeccable. Oh my gosh, impeccable. You save these seeds, you save the earth. You can bake them, fry them, grow them, you name it. You simply scoop and the rest is history. But today, I choose destruction. In all fairness, this will make some baby butternuts in the landfill. More for the rats. Now choose a baking dish that your butternut squash will fit into. Then drizzle some olive oil on top. Pop them in the oven for about an hour and bodge ya uncle. Enough fooling around. Let's get down to business. We're gonna blend the squash until it's as smooth as Gerber baby food. I tried scooping it with a spoon, but it took too long, so instead I chose to peel it with my fingers. The dishes magically disappeared. And now, puree. C'est magnifique. Now this is critical information. I'm checking the consistency to make sure it's Gerber baby smooth. If you have any doubt a baby could funnel this into its gullet, well, just like that baby, your bread's gonna croak. The recipe calls for 2 cups, but I don't like following orders, so I'm doing my own thing. You should too. This isn't looking good, ladies and gentlemen. There's not enough puree. I'm gonna need backup. Preheat the oven to 350.
Nutmeg and clove. Cinnamon is carrying all your dead weight. Baking soda. What do you even do? Eggs. I don't think you have the huevos to close that sales deal. I needed it done last Thursday. I needed it done. Olive oil. Where's my quarterly report? I need to know the P&Ls. Yada, 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 yada. I'm gonna make sure these goonies give me what I need. Otherwise, it's your head. Great work, team. I think we have a great culture here.
We got the ingredients now. We're gonna separate them dry to wet. First, we're gonna start with 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Our teaspoon tragically lost its life in the garbage disposal, so now we honor it with 2 half teaspoons. Add a half teaspoon of salt. I like to pour it above the measured ingredients, just to feel something. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg for a little bit flavor. A little bit of cinnamons. I added 3 half teaspoons, cause I'm dangerous. And clove. Splash. And stir, 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 and stir, 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 stir. I had you all of today. We were chillin' for a long time. You napped on me for a hot minute. Bring forth the wet ingredients. First, we grab Humpty Dumpty's heirs, ending his bloodline. Half a cup of your paycheck, olive oil. Darn this economy.
Please get me off this ride. Oh no, please, please. Please, no. I beg.
Chicle. Excuse me, mister. Huh, these Humpty Dumptys are a little persistent. I guess we'll have to slowly saturate them with some diabetes. 3 half cups of diabetes to be exact.
Oh no, you monster! I left my CGM at home, and now I can't see my glucose spikes.
Scoop in the Gerber baby sauce as a final nail in the coffin.
I'm dying with the diabetes!
Time to mix the wets and the dries thoroughly. Find yourself a nice little pan and grease it up. Now pour the finely mixed pud into the pan.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Now it's ready to go into the oven, but I'm gonna add some extra toppings. A little bit more cinnamon. Some walnuts for texture. The texture is good and all, but that fiber. And now, chocolate. Ooh, the hardest part is done. We just have to put it in the oven. Edit that out, please.
No.
Please.
Oh my gosh, that looks awesome.
We'll just in post pretend that it was ready.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
And it's done. We definitely didn't put it in the oven again. Look at those nuts, that chocolate, the edges, the curvature. Yup, definitely got it on the first try. But just to be safe, let's try it one more time. Really good. Now, let's see what our taste buds think. Wonder Bread ain't got nothing on this hot, steamy loaf. Cheers to my blood, sweat, and tears. But who was filming the video?
Whoa. Really good.
Contraption.
Yay!
Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Oh, and be sure to subscribe so that way you never miss a video. Give the recipe a try. We left it in the description below. And until next time, keep growing.
Got big dreams, just doing random things with my best friend.